फुल फनल मार्केटिंग एजेंसी. यस, यू हर्ड इट राइट. बेसिकली अगर आप फ्रीलांसर हो, सर्विस प्रोवाइडर हो, या आपको एक डिजिटल एजेंसी खोलनी है अपनी, तो फुल फनल मार्केटिंग एजेंसी इज द आंसर इन 2024. इसको थोड़ा डीप में देखते हैं. सो आप ये वीडियो में क्या देखोगे, एक तो फुल फनल मार्केटिंग एजेंसी क्या होता है, राइट, फर्स्ट. सेकेंड, वी विल सी गूगल एड्स एजेंसी. ये भी एक चीज हम लोग थोड़ा डीप में स्टडी करेंगे, व्हाट हाउ यू कैन स्टार्ट योर गूगल एड एजेंसी इन 2024. थर्ड, एक मेरे को क्वेश्चन आया हुआ है एक कोच का, हाउ कैन आई स्केल माई कोचिंग बिजनेस, बिकॉज वो स्टक हो चुके हैं फ्यू थिंग्स पे, और कौन सी थिंग्स पे स्टक हो चुके हैं. फेसबुक एड्स वो स्केल नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, पहला. सेकेंड, एड्स डिसअप्रूव हो रहे हैं, दे आर नॉट एबल टू मैनेज बजट्स. सो हम ये चीज पे थोड़ा डिस्कस करेंगे. सो वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड. इट इज गोइंग टू बी एन अमेजिंग रियल लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस जो हम अपनी एजेंसी में यूज कर रहे हैं, फनल्स, ट्रैफिक, वो सब हम आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे. ओके, सो फर्स्ट, फुल फनल मार्केटिंग एजेंसी. तो पहले क्या होता था ना, 2 years बैक, वन पर्टिकुलर थिंग, लाइक लेट्स से अगर आप एक फनल बिल्डर हो, सो रनिंग दैट, डूइंग दैट फनल बिल्डिंग consistently for multiple number of clients was easy. But now things have become easier for many people. Now people don't, and the competition has increased. Do you agree? So due to which people are not ready to pay extra or high ticket just for one service. Let's say just for funnel building. People are not ready. This is one thing. Okay. Second thing, now people want leads also. If you are just building funnel, or if you are just creating images or graphics, you are not giving them the leads, right? So they want leads also. So now your goal should be to build funnel for them. That is first. Second, now to generate leads for them. Now to generate leads, you need a second service also, which is paid advertisement. Paid advertisement can be Facebook also, YouTube also. Now the real challenge lies here. Even after giving those Facebook and YouTube ad services, still they're not satisfied because of increase in cost per lead, increase in competition. Now they want what they want, increase in sales. Now there comes the third service, which is email marketing, WhatsApp marketing to boost up the sales, retargeting services to boost up the sale. That's where, if you give all the three as a package, that's where you are an asset to them. So now that is called a full funnel marketing agency. That's what we are doing. So now we are doing funnel building, we are doing YouTube ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, and also email marketing to boost their sales. And eventually when they are getting sales by working with you, why would they want to even switch to any other agency? Do you get it? So that is full funnel marketing agency. Now the second important point we would discuss here is Google ads agency. Before moving to that, first let's discuss Facebook ads versus Google ads, right? So Facebook ads, they are very easy to start. First of all, they are very easy to start. So to correct it, it's more of Facebook ads versus YouTube ads, let's say. So Facebook ads, first, it's very easy to start. Second, it's like you don't need a video. You can even start with an image. Third, it's very easy to run. Like 60% of the marketers online know how to do Facebook ads. So obviously there is more competition. Now with respect to that, if I say talk in terms of YouTube ads, first, it's not easier to start, right? Why it's not easier? You require a video, and shooting a video requires good script, good shooting skills, good editing skill, take times and effort. Obviously no one is pushing themselves to start. It is more of uncomfortable to do that, a video and then run a YouTube ad. So people prefer Facebook ads. So competition in YouTube ads is less, right? So that is the reason I would recommend to start a YouTube ads and Google ads agency in 2024 if you are just starting out. That's what we are also doing. Now we are focusing more on the YouTube ads rather than Facebook ads. Now, 3 things why we are focusing more on the YouTube ads is, one, because of scale, right? Facebook is not allowing to scale budgets to very heavy budgets. Like you can run 50,000 rupees to 70,000 rupees per day on Facebook, but on YouTube and Google, you can even run 5 lakh rupees of budget per day. So can you imagine the scale YouTube has, right? Second, it has more broader audience. Can you imagine the audience? Everyone is searching on Google, YouTube. Eventually, it's a part of Google, right? That audience is present on Google and YouTube, right? But Facebook has a limited set of audience. So the bigger audience. So that is the reason. And there are only 30% of marketers who know exactly how to do Google ads and YouTube ads effectively, right? So you have a less competition in terms of and the clients, like you have a lot of clients. Every client who is doing Facebook ads, right? If you tell them that you can bring better quality lead, better sales with YouTube ads, there is an opportunity, right? So this you can do. Now the most important question, how coach asked me, how can I scale my business? Again, start YouTube ads. Let me tell you, every top coach, be it Dev Gadvi, be it Amit Parekh, be it Ruchir Gupta, every top coach in the industry is top because of YouTube ads. Now, not to forget the number one coach, Ankur Warikoo, what he's doing? He's running lots and lots of YouTube ads, right? So why? Because the scale of Facebook ad is less. So if you want to scale your coaching business in 2024, start YouTube ads right away. And our agency is doing that, funnels traffic. We have mastered YouTube ads. We are even running 6 lakhs to 10 lakhs of budget daily in one ad account for one particular client. That's what we are doing for multiple clients. So that is it. Now, more importantly, you can ask more questions related to your freelancing, related to how to get clients, related to YouTube ads, Facebook ads, advertising agency. We would be happy to answer your questions, and we are doing such Q&A session regularly on YouTube. So do subscribe and watch the videos. Thank you.